I'm going to... I hate my life. I hate it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's okay. Dylan, stop. I'm serious right now. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get the freaking sword, and I'm just gonna go ape shit on these fuckers.
The sword.
The sword.
It's a sword.
Sword?
Sword.
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 Sword?
Sword.
Sword? Oh, okay.
Sword.
Watch this shit. What? Yeah! Yeah, that's what happens. I don't care, I got the sword.
Oh, that's what you're so far. I didn't know yet.
I didn't either. Ha! 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 What? What happened? I hate my life. I really hate it, Dylan.
Do you?
Yeah.
Good.
I'm gonna be invisible. Invisibly attack these motherfuckers.
I can still see you.
You can. They can. Where are you, blue people? Oh my gosh, why are you still doing that?
Cause you're cute.
You're not. You're cute, but I'm not.
Oh, no, I'm not.
You're very cute,
Oh, I'm not.
but I'm invisible. Beat that.
Come on.
Hot Wheels, beat that. Okay, I cannot find them, and I just wanna fuck you. Ah! Of course he's behind me. He's too scared to face me face to face. That's what's up. I'm destroying these people. It's happening right now. Just watch this, Dylan.
I'm watching.
Just wait for it, man. Get you, motherfucker. Did I kill him? No! Fuck. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. He's right there. Just die! Why won't you? Yeah, he died. It's okay.
I'm so glad I got that.
Let's double team him, man. Yeah! Wow, I didn't kill that guy. But I helped out. It's okay. It's
So
okay.
I'm so glad I got that fight in Canada. Because you guys were like trying to hit each other, and you guys couldn't.
Where's the sword? Ah! Dang it! Dylan, you could just stop this now. Stop this nonsense. There's 22 seconds left.
Yeah?
It's okay. It's almost done. It's almost done. It's okay. I know! I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get you. No. You're being recorded. I know. He's dumb.
Oh!
Shut up.
Stop hitting me.
Shut up.